Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Home Assistant integration for ChargePoint devices, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Home Assistant integration for ChargePoint devices, start by ensuring you have a ChargePoint account. Open your web browser and navigate to the ChargePoint website. Log into your ChargePoint account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the API section in your account settings. Select the option to create a new application or API key. Provide a name for your application that reflects its purpose. Choose the necessary permissions required for Home Assistant integration. After submitting the application details, note down the generated API key. Now, switch to your Home Assistant instance. Open the configuration.yaml file within your Home Assistant directory. Add a new section for ChargePoint configuration. Input the API key you generated from your ChargePoint account. Specify any additional parameters required, such as user ID or location. Save the configuration.yaml file and close it. Restart your Home Assistant server to apply the changes. Once restarted, navigate to the Integrations page in Home Assistant. Search for ChargePoint and select it to initiate the integration process. Follow the prompts to complete the authorization setup. Once authorized, your ChargePoint devices will now appear within Home Assistant. You can now monitor and control your ChargePoint devices seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.